one simple overlay away from turning viewers into subscribers, and I'll show you how in under a minute. In this video, I'll show you how to add a clean subscribe button to your videos using CapCut in just a few simple steps. We'll grab a free animation, set it up properly, and make it look smooth and professional, so more viewers actually hit subscribe. And this process will work on essentially any device, whether it's a PC, a MacBook, or your mobile phone. So you can follow along whether you're using CapCut Mobile or CapCut on your desktop. So the first step is to grab a subscribe button, green screen video, or animation. And we can get this completely for free by heading over to a website called Pexels. That's PEXELS.com. This is a free stock footage website where you can find a huge library of photos and videos for your projects. Once you're there, just type subscribe button into the search bar and you'll get a bunch of different subscribe button green screen animations to choose from. Click on whichever one you like the look of. You'll get a small preview of how it looks, and when you're happy with it, just click the download button. And that's your animation saved to your device. The next step is to open CapCut. Again, mobile or desktop, the steps are the same. Open your video project, whether that's a finished video or one you're still working on. Once your timeline is open, click Import. Find the green screen subscribe button video you just downloaded from Pexels and drag it onto your timeline above your main video clip. This is important. It needs to sit on a layer above your footage. Now here's how you remove the green screen. With that subscribe button clip selected on your timeline, find this button called Remove BG at the right side. Look for the option called Chroma Key, and on mobile it'll appear in the bottom toolbar when your clip is selected. Tap or click Chroma Key. Then use the color picker to click on the green area of your animation. CapCut will automatically remove everything that matches that green color, leaving only the subscribe button floating cleanly over your video. You can adjust the intensity slider to clean up any leftover edges until it looks smooth. From there, just reposition and resize the subscribe button wherever you want it to appear on screen. Most creators place it in the bottom corner, and you're done. Easy, clean, and professional in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, make sure you subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this one. And I'll see you in the next video.